Hello and welcome guys to my channel. It's a new channel. um, I'm starting my new channel and it's here. I'm just gonna show you guys so far how the project is. I've got a first person character controller running. This is Godot engine, and you can shoot characters and their health depletes and then they go into a state of death. They got different states. Currently I'm still working on the state system, so the character doesn't attack me when I shoot him. He's supposed to, but I'm just showing you guys it's a basic um, system currently. And over here I can sneak on the character. He doesn't know I'm here behind him, and then I can shoot him, and if I get into its view it will start attacking me, chasing me. Got another character over there, so now they're both chasing me. And then if I get far enough away it stops chasing me. I'm out of its view, and then if I get in its view again it starts chasing me. So there the characters, you can see the state is death now. And then let me just show you. So this is the current game we have, and if I get close enough it attacks me and my health starts to deplete. So it's game over. If my health reaches 0, I die and it's game over. So you are dead. Game over. So this is the game we are going to create with the tutorials I'm going to create for you guys. I'm just showing you guys so far how the project looks. We're going to do tutorials similar to this. I'm going to create tutorials similar to this so that I can teach you guys how to create a game like this and how to create the systems like this so that you can create your own games. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Give this video a like. Please subscribe. I'm a new channel. I need subscribers, and I want you guys to be up to date with what's coming next. So just subscribe, please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.